In this video, we'll look at 7 free apps that will help you greatly in your master's thesis writing. Links to all mentioned apps can be found in the description. App number 1, Google Docs. Still stuck on the traditional Microsoft Word processor? You should consider switching to Google Docs. There is only one major reason why you should switch from Microsoft Word to Google Docs. Using the Google Docs voice typing tool, you'll be able to 3x or even 4x your typing speed. Let me show you how you use the Google Docs voice typing tool. First, make sure you have an external microphone connected to your PC. I use a $20 mic I bought from Alibaba more than a year ago. If you're using a laptop, you might even not need a microphone because the newer laptops have built-in microphones. Go to your Google account on your browser and look for the Google Docs icon. Click on the icon and create a new blank document. Click on the Tools section and navigate to the voice typing tool. When you click on the voice typing tool, a gray mic icon will appear on the top left of your blank document. After you click on the mic icon, it will turn red and your voice typing will begin. When you finish voice typing, simply click on the mic icon again for it to turn gray. Congratulations! You have just quadrupled your typing speed. With the voice typing tool from Google Docs, typing speeds of even 250 words per minute do not appear far-fetched after all, do they? Second tool that will be important for your master's thesis writing is Zotero. You'll use this for reference management. When writing your master's thesis, you'll need to go through an incredible amount of scholarly and unscholarly literature. One of the best knowledge management tools for scholarly research is Zotero. Zotero is a free, easy-to-use tool that helps you to collect, organize, annotate, and cite research. Zotero will help you to easily collect different types of sources for research, including scholarly articles and news articles across the internet. Zotero also helps you to organize your research ideas easily through folders and tags. Finally, Zotero makes it easy to create in-text citations and a bibliography during your research. Be sure to watch our video on how to use Zotero for research, which provides a complete beginner's guide on how to use this important tool. Tool number 3 that will be important for your master's thesis writing process is Notion. Notion is a tool that helps you to plan your master's thesis and schedule different tasks to perform every day. Using Notion, you can schedule different tasks involved in your master's thesis writing process and track your progress over time. Another important tool that you need for your master's thesis writing is the PowerPom Pomodoro timer. This tool is for productivity. The PowerPom is a timer that you can install on your computer or even on your phone to help you to boost your productivity. The PowerPom timer utilizes the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management system that encourages people to work with their time rather than against it. In the Pomodoro technique, one breaks down their work or study sessions into 25, 30, or even 50-minute sessions separated by 5 or 10-minute breaks. The different intervals are known as Pomodoros, with every 3 or 4 cycles of Pomodoros followed by a longer break of 20 minutes or 40 minutes. Get the link to the PowerPom timer in the description and be on your way to manage your time more proactively. The next tool that you need for your master's thesis writing is Turnitin. This is a plagiarism checker. Turnitin is one of the most reputable plagiarism checkers across the world. The Turnitin system relies on linking scholarly databases worldwide. This ensures that all the work submitted to the system is original. Turnitin will help you to maintain integrity when writing your master's thesis. Make sure you always run every section of your master's thesis on Turnitin to detect any plagiarism before submitting it to your supervisor. Another important tool that you'll need for your master's thesis is Grammarly. This is a proofreading and editing tool. Grammarly is one of the most advanced proofreading and editing tools. Grammarly will simply take your academic writing to the next level. Grammarly helps you to correct mistakes in your writing that might be hard to detect on your own but costly if not rectified. The 7th and final most important tool you might need for your master's thesis writing is FreeMind. This is a mind mapping tool. When writing your master's thesis, you need to read, understand, and synthesize information to develop your original concepts. Using a mind mapping tool can help you to relate different ideas and concepts you come across in your research. FreeMind is a free mind mapping tool that will help you to relate different concepts and discover associations of different ideas during your master's thesis research. For instance, you can use the FreeMind app to develop a conceptual framework and show an association between different variables in your research.